All right. Well, I'm ready whenever you are. Did you hear about this one? Red Laker walks into Walmart and they say, "Hey man, you got to put on a mask." And Red Laker replies, "Well then how am I supposed to point out the things I need?"
Oh.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. And today, our OJIBWE word of the day, or phrase of the day, Mino Gigajebe. Good morning. Mino Gigajebe, good morning. How you doing? Oh, I'm doing just great here in the podcast studios. Here in the back room of Michael's house. Yeah, so I had some coffee. I had some makere mashkiki wabu, some black medicine water. And I'm just hanging out. Thought I would turn on the camera and say BOOZHOO. And so here we are. What should I talk about today? It's Sunday. It's prayer day. Anima E, Gija Good. Prayer day. In the Anishinaabe way, Sundays were called prayer day. And I think that probably started in the boarding school days. Like, I'm getting the impression we didn't really have names for the days of the week until after we started learning English. Because in the Anishinaabe way, every day is prayer day. You know? It's just sort of, you should pray every day. Just commune with the Creator. You know? If you pray, if you thank Gitchi Manadu, the Great Spirit, for all your blessings, for your health, and for your family and friends, for the fact that He's taking care of you, you know? That's the trick to peace and happiness. This is for the kids. You know, sometimes kids they'll ask me, you know, how can I be like you? I want to be a rock star. I want to be a musician. I want to be a YouTuber, you know. And so, here's my advice. Number one, don't be like me. Be like yourself. But, you know, follow whatever you love to do, that is your gift. You know? Your gifts, you don't just be, you know, I can play guitar and piano, and I can draw, and I can do all these things. Kind of because I've been doing them for a long time. Because I love doing them. And when you love something, you get good at it. So the trick isn't to figure out how to become something. The trick is to figure out what do you love and then do it. And now I'm just rambling on. Why am I talking about this? I don't know. I really don't know. So I'm just rambling. I don't even know who I'm talking to sometimes. Are you a kid? Are you a grown-up? Are you Anishinaabe? Are you Jamokaman? What should I do? What should I talk about today? Yeah, so Anima E Gija Good. Prayer day. Get on your knees and pray. You know? Oh, okay, here we go. This is how you pray in the Anishinaabe way. You know, lots of times people say, "Oh, don't forget to put out your tobacco." And people are like, "Put on what? Is he talking about putting out a cigarette? What's he talking about?" And so, no, it says, in the Indian way, tobacco, asema, is a gift you give the spirits, or it's like an offering. And a good way to do it is, you know, like right now the sun's coming up. What I should have done is go out before the sun comes up and put out a little pinch of tobacco, like in a tree. Or, you can actually smoke a pipe, put tobacco in your pipe and light it up. But you just say, Gitche Manadu. We do Kawishin. Great Spirit, please help me. Miigwech. Thank you. That's all you really have to say. Put it out and go back in and have some makare mush kiki wabu. Have some coffee and thank the Creator for that too. Because just do it. I don't know. All right. So this has been the Ojibwe phrase of the day. And I don't know. I guess I'm in a weird mood. This was probably a waste of your time, but I just want to say thank you for watching anyway. Thank you, Miigwech. Ganawabieg. Watching. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO. Nana BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Oh. Okay.
Hey everybody! If you want to support the show, just click the link in the description box and you can become a Patreon supporter. Give us a couple of bucks every month. Or if you just want to leave us a tip, Michael has a GoFundMe campaign going on. And we also have a Patreon page. So just click the link in the description. All right. Oh, yeah. I think I know what time it is. It's time to get started.
Welcome to
what?
BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.
What'd you say?
I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Leaving Wayne Dom,
Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Niemand Wayne Dom, Hallo Manu. Niemand Wayne Dom, Hallo Manu. Niemand Wayne Dom, Hallo Manu.
Thank you, and good night.
Good night. We love you. Gizaka-e. Gigawabamin, Minawa.